Hello friends, let's solve. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Given question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Let's rewrite the question. So now for this minus 10 we have to find the factors, and when you add the factors we need to get the quotient of the middle term. The suitable factors are 5 2s are 10, and when you multiply 5 and 2 you need to get minus 10. That means minus sign should be assigned to either 5 or 2. To decide that we need to go to the middle term. Middle term is having negative sign, so minus sign should be given to the biggest number, so that when you add minus 5 and plus 2 we are going to get minus 3. So now the first and last term should be written as it is. Instead of the middle term we are going to split this minus 3 as minus 5x plus 2x. Let's write that now. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Combine the first two terms. Take x common. The first term here is x square. From there I have taken 1x common. So 1x will be remaining. Write this minus sign. We have got the next term as 5x. So x is taken common. So the remaining number is 5. Write that and write this plus sign. Among these numerals, 2 is highest common factor. Write it, and here from 2x I have taken 2 common. So x remains minus 2 have taken common, that is 2 5s are 10, that 2 have taken common, so 5 will be remain is equal to 0. So we can see the common binomial, which is x minus 5. Take it as highest common factor among these two, and the remaining in another bracket, so which is equal to 0. So that means either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 must be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 5. Minus 5 we should also what happens? Plus 5. So x value is 5 or x value is 0 plus 2 is shift 0 minus 2, that's nothing but minus 2. So these are the two roots for the given quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now the second question. Let's write the second question, that is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now let's go to the solution. So the given question is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, and this constant term minus 6 and the coefficient of first term 2 should be multiplied. So 2 coefficient of the first term into constant term, which is minus 6. In the previous question, here we have only constant term. We don't have coefficient of the first term, that's nothing but 1 we have. 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. Either we can follow that way, otherwise when you don't find any number other than 1 as coefficient of the first term, straight away you can take the constant term and you can find the factors. Whereas here we can see coefficient of first term is 2 and the constant term is minus 6. Multiply both of those numbers. For that number, for that product, you have to find the factor, suitable factor. So the suitable factors are going to be 4 3s are. When you multiply, you must get minus 12. But let us see the quotient of middle term. We have plus sign here. So assign plus sign to the biggest number 4 and minus to the other number. So when you add plus 4 minus 3, we are getting plus 1. Correct, which suits here. And plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. So these are the suitable factors. So what you have to do, the middle term should be split and should be written as plus 4x and minus 3x. Let's write the first term as it is. Instead of the middle term, it must be 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Combine first two terms. Take 2x as highest common factor. X square is here, 1x I have taken, 1x remains here. From this 4 we have taken 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 remains, definitely write it. And here take negative sign common. Here you can take number 3 as common factor. And because I have taken minus common, it's going to be plus here. So now 3 2s are 4, 3 have taken, so 2 remains. So they take out the binomial x plus 2 and the other numbers, that is the remaining in another bracket, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So product of these two binomials is 0. That means either x plus 2 must be 0 or 2x minus 3 must be 0. So x is equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Otherwise 2x is equal to 0. Shift the 0 plus 3 is 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. So these two are factors for the given quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.